Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing this eye makeup look. I have created this smoky eyes with glitter effect. It's very simple to create and looks glamorous at the same time. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. But before that, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade dark brown to shape and fill in my eyebrows, and I'm using the Pro Arte PE28 brush to do so. I will first shape my natural eyebrows and fill them in, and to blend the product I will be using a spoolie. Next, I will be using a concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty in the shade Sand Sable, and I'm using the brush from Pro Arte PF01 brush. First, I'm going to curve out my eyebrows and then apply to my entire eyelid. You can also use a eye primer instead of a concealer, but I like using concealers, and after blending out the concealer, I will be setting it with a loose powder. Here I am applying a sticky tape so we can have a sharp eyeshadow look. For eyeshadow today I will be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette Remastered, and I will be using the shade Sandalwood, and I will be applying it on my crease area. I am using a brush from my Do Care brush set, and this is a blending brush. As you can see, I'm building the color in the crease area. Okay, next I'm going to use this color Black Truffle to create that smokiness, and I'm going to use that black shade mainly in the outer V area. For this I'm going to use a smaller blending brush. You can also use a pencil brush for this, and as you can see I'm building the color slowly because it's a black color, so you have to be very careful. Just take a little bit, blend that color, and if you need, you can obviously then take the color from the pan and blend it nicely. Next, I am taking the shade Blessed and I'm applying it in the center of my eyelid, and I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm packing the color right in the center. I'm not going all the way to my inner corner, but just concentrating on the center, and with the same brush I will be also blending the harsh line between the golden and the black color, so there is a seamless transition of shades. Next, I am using the shade Moon Dust for my inner corner, and I am using the same eyeshadow brush. For glitters, I will be using the pressed glitters from Beauty Glaze, and I am using the light golden glitter and applying it in the center where we have applied the shade Blessed using my finger. Then I am applying a liquid eyeliner here. If you are using glitters, make sure that you apply a liquid eyeliner. I find it difficult to apply a gel eyeliner, so here I am using the Faces Canada liquid eyeliner. Then for Kajal, I am using the Forever 52 Extra Lasting Kajal, and I am going to apply it on my lower waterline and also on my lower lash line. Then to smoke out the lower lash line more further, I will be using the black truffle shade with a pencil brush and smoke out the lower lash line. I will be also taking the shade sandalwood that we have applied on our crease with a smaller shader brush and apply it on the lower lash line, and this will give us the nice effect of smoke out look. Okay, now going forward to the lashes. First I'm going to curl my lashes with the Vega lash curler and then apply a mascara. This is from Essence. This is the Essence Volume Stylish Mascara, and I'm going to coat my upper as well as my lower lash lines. Then for falsies, I will be using these falsies from Europe Girl. These are available on Amazon, and I will be applying it on the upper lash line, and I'm using the glue from PAC Cosmetics. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you like this look. This is very simple. You can wear this look for any occasions like weddings or engagement or parties, and this looks really stunning on all the outfit. I hope you like this video, and if you like, then do not forget to give me a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye.